Hello, my name is Michael Shripad. I'm also known as ThailandMike. I'm going to put together a portfolio magazine. It's a hiccup tour guide. I'm actually a tattooer. I've been tattooing since 1991. Within the last years, I've been traveling all over the United States and abroad. Paris, Thailand, Amsterdam. And what I realized is I know absolutely nothing as a tattooer or a traveler. I've been using tattooing as my passport within these last 3 years. It's allowed me to enter tattoo conventions and allowed me to do guest spots and meet extraordinary people and extraordinary cultures, the different foods, the different attitudes towards tattooing. It's been one hell of a ride with hiccups all over, and that's what this magazine is about. It's about tips and tricks on how to survive as a tattooer. I hope this will make an awesome study guide for my fellow tattooers and how to survive this world as a tattooer. It is not as easy as one would think these days. Tattooing being in demand and overpopulated due to celebrity tattooing. Though I'm grateful, but the world is different. I hope my magazine will be a helpful learning tool to aid in jumping different boundaries and skills and styles. In this magazine, I'll be introducing other tattooers that have helped me abroad. To ensure its weight of gold, what I've also included into the magazine is a sketchbook. In the back of a sketchbook is sketches of dragons. Each of those dragons took me approximately 10 hours to produce. Anyway, that's about all I got to say. If you like this project, please share this with your friends. I hope we make it. The pledge goal is $2,500. It's not much, but what it will let me know is whether or not this is going to happen. This is going to let me know if you guys want this to happen. If you do, I'm ready for volume number 2 and number 3. Thank you all.